Hello and welcome guys, we're back with another video. Today we are making spinach with poppy seeds. It's a very simple, easy, healthy and nutritious a dish that we are absolutely sure you're going to love. The ingredients first, and really minimal ingredients here as you can see on your screen. So we have baby spinach here that we've chopped up nicely. Besides that, we'll be needing poppy seeds, green chilies, oil, salt and some Panchforon. So that's a mixture of 5 different seeds and whole spices, and you can find the details in the description box. Please do have a look. Firstly, we're going to make a paste out of the poppy seeds. As you can see here, we've taken the poppy seeds and made it into a paste. The next step would be to take a pan and put some oil in it. We are just going to allow the oil to heat up. Once the oil has heated up nicely, just add the Panchforon in there. And we're just going to wait until the Panchforon crackles. You may also add in the green chilies at this stage. Just give everything a light stir. Once the Panchforon has sauteed in the oil for a bit, you will get a nice aroma there, and this would be the perfect time to add in the spinach. Just add in all the spinach and just try to mix everything nicely. The spinach will get blanched pretty soon, so we'll just allow it to blanch down and release water. You might want to add some salt as well at this stage. We're going to check for the salt later to see if it's fine, but just add in some salt at this stage and mix everything well. We're now going to cover and cook for a bit until the water reduces a bit. Now, as you can see, the spinach is now cooked, but we still need to reduce the water. So once you're satisfied that the spinach is nicely cooked, just add in the poppy seeds paste that you'd made in the very initial stage. And then the usual step of mixing everything well. And we will continue cooking until there is no water left. And there exactly you see what I mean. There is no water left here, which signals that the dish is almost ready. That's it. So the dish is now finally served. As you can see, it just looks very simple in all its beauty, and we are pretty sure that you're going to love this as well as we do. So have fun and enjoy.